Welcome to Indianapolis, for those of you who do not live here. For those of you that do. My name is Evan Manship with Mainstay Property Group. I wanted to just give a quick toast and introduction to the 4th annual Indianapolis Out-of-State Investor Symposium. Thank you all very much for coming. Here's to the drinks going down and interest rates falling. Cheers.
Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Midwest Cash Offer and Mainstay Property Group. We're at INDY OSIS here at the Marriott Hotel in Indianapolis, and I'm with Andrew.
Yeah, thanks Michael. So typically the reason I come to an event like this, it's more of to make connections and to learn from other individuals. I think for me, the biggest part is I don't know what I don't know. And so trying to find out little things here that people have taken and grown tremendously, much more than I have, is really important. If you're a first-time investor or if you had 100 properties, I think Mainstay is a great place to connect with and be with because they're real human beings. I think one of the biggest things that I like about Evan and Clay is they're brutally honest and they're brutally upfront. They even talked about how much money they make per deal. No other wholesaler that I've ever worked with would tell you that information. Obviously, they're here to make money and to be in a business, but I really think they take the vibe of let's all make money together as opposed to it's a battle between me and you as a buyer and seller. For me, that's one thing that I really look for when I have no idea what I'm doing. I cannot flip a house. I cannot look at a property and know exactly what it's worth, but I surround myself with a team that can, and I really include Mainstay in that, which is why I love working with them.